This therapeutic multivitamin liquid is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help maintain good health. It is important to take the recommended dosage of this multivitamin liquid daily to ensure you are getting all the necessary vitamins your body needs. The optimal time to take this medication is with a meal to help with absorption. When taking therapeutic multivitamin liquid, it is important to follow the directions given to you by your doctor or as directed on the product package. Typically, this medication is taken by mouth, usually once daily. It is essential to not take more than the recommended dosage. It is important to measure the prescribed dose carefully using a medication measuring device, and not to use a household spoon. If the liquid is a suspension, be sure to shake the bottle well before each dose. In order to get the most benefit from this medication, it should be taken regularly. To help you remember, try taking it at the same time each day. This will help ensure that you are getting the full benefit of the therapeutic multivitamin liquid. Some common side effects of therapeutic multivitamin liquid include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it's because they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While it's rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects not mentioned, it's essential to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at their website www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It's important to keep multivitamins containing iron out of reach of children, as accidental overdose of iron-containing products can be fatal in children under 6 years old. If overdose does occur, seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Before starting to take this therapeutic multivitamin liquid, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to its ingredients. It's important to also share your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol use or abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If the multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. Folic acid can affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating the anemia, which can lead to serious nerve problems. It's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Liquid forms of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, use caution and speak to your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Before undergoing any surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to inform your doctor before using this medication. And if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before taking this medication as it can pass into breast milk. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking therapeutic multivitamin liquid. These interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's recommended to avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist to determine how long you should wait between doses and to find a dosing schedule that works with all your medications. Additionally, if your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking certain anti-seizure drugs. Always follow their guidance when it comes to taking therapeutic multivitamin liquid to ensure its optimal benefits. If you suspect an overdose or experience severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 for emergency assistance, or contact a poison control center for guidance. In the U.S., you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center for assistance. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Be sure to keep all of your medical and laboratory appointments. It's important to note that this liquid multivitamin is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's always best to get your vitamins and nutrients from a well-balanced and nutritious diet. Make sure to follow any dietary guidelines recommended by your doctor and maintain a healthy eating routine. Remember to consult your healthcare provider for the best time to take this multivitamin and the appropriate daily dosage. If you forget to take your therapeutic multivitamin liquid at the recommended time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. It is important to take this medication consistently for it to be effective. The recommended daily dosage is, insert dosage. It is best to take this medication, insert optimal timing. The benefits of taking therapeutic multivitamin liquid include, insert benefits. When it comes to storing your therapeutic multivitamin liquid, it's important to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need the product or it has expired, make sure to properly discard it. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. For proper disposal, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. As for the optimal timing and dosage of the therapeutic multivitamin liquid, it is best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider or the label on the product. This liquid can provide essential vitamins and minerals to support overall health and well-being. It is typically taken once a day, and the best time to take it may vary depending on individual preferences and needs. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.